Okay, working on the Toyota Highlander today. Just a little dent in the door edge, kind of actually hard to see, but right there. Kind of working in a sunny and shady spot, but don't have the keys. So someone opened the door into something like another car, causing another job for me, and then bending this door edge over, or opening up into a pole or like a workbench in the garage. I've seen a lot of. It's hard to tell exactly, but you can see it's bent inward there. So we'll be able to go in there and bend that edge back flat, even though it's not a dent in the middle of a panel. It is something that we can still fix. Okay, I finished this Highlander dent. It was right there. Still got that edge back flat, as you can see. And then this chip up here is something else, but you can see I got the edge back flat there. So kind of unique repair, but definitely something we can do. Thank you for watching.